The dry weight of brain is mostly fat, 60%, and lipids are just another name for fats, and DHA is a fat, and the number one fatty acid in your brain is DHA. And so at all levels of development, from being an embryo to being a child with a developing brain, all the way through adulthood and into old age, we need DHA the whole time. The developing fetus and kids with a growing brain, they really need it badly. And I'll describe the mechanism in a second, but I wanted to get to Jeannie's comment. She mentioned all the enzymes about synthesis of DHA from ALA. And ALA is a vegetable source like walnuts, that sort of thing. And Brett, you mentioned how that was not a very efficient conversion process, and you're correct. One thing that was discovered relatively recently is estrogen
I
speeds
was
up
going to
that
say that.
process.
I was going to say that.
Yeah, estrogen speeds up that process. So one of the rate limiting steps of that whole process is delta 6 desaturase enzyme, which converts ALA into one of its, or the early precursors, which are then going to turn into DHA and EPA. That is greatly sped up by estrogen. And when a woman is pregnant, surprise, surprise, her estrogen is off the charts. Estrogen levels are very high. And so she is converting and creating a lot of DHA, which is critical for that, the brain in the fetus, which I think is so fascinating. And then on the opposite end, in older age, estrogen levels go
Well,
down.
in midlife, in mid,
Yeah,